How to write reviews on Shopify 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through how you can write a review on Shopify in 2023 in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So to allow yourself to do this, all you're going to do is you're going to come over to Add Apps. Once you go over to Add Apps, you're going to go to Shopify App Store and you're going to quickly be going ahead and adding an app. Okay, it's called JudgeMe.product reviews. So once you click on installing Judge Me, all you're going to do is you're going to quickly install it, okay, because it's a great product review app, and that is how you're going to actually enable people to write a review on your Shopify store. So once your Judge Me app is opened, from there on out, what you're going to want to do is you're going to start choosing the products and set up the Judge Me app review. You're going to embed it into your app, okay, and you can obviously enable app embed by coming on this interface over here. So just go into the editor to actually embed it. Once you do that, you're going to click on next step and you're going to make sure that everything is saved after each step of embedation. And here you can see you've embedded it. Just click on save. Once you click on save, you're going to come back here and look at that. Everything is good to go. So from here on out, you're going to get your Judge Me actual product reviewer, and you can start adding Judge Me's app embed into your store for reviews. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Till then, that's about it. And I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.